President Joe Biden has directed his administration to work urgently to ensure that during the Abbott Nutrition Voluntary Recall, infant formula is safe and available for families across the country. Today, President Biden spoke with retailers and manufacturers, including Walmart, Target, Reckitt, and Jiba, to discuss ways we can all work together to do more to help families access infant formula. On February 17, the largest infant formula manufacturer in the country, Abbott Nutrition, initiated a voluntary recall of several lines of powdered formula. This came after concerns about bacterial contamination of Abbott starches. Michigan facility, after 4 infants fell ill and 2 died, the federal government, including the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), Department of Agriculture, Department of Justice, Department of Transportation, Trade Representative, Department of Homeland Security, Department of Commerce, and the White House has worked diligently over the last few months to address the shortfall of infant formula production, while the starches plant remains offline, including working with other infant formula manufacturers to increase the production, expediting the import of infant formula from abroad, and calling on both online and in-store retailers to establish purchasing limits to prevent the possibility of hoarding. As a result, more infant formula has been produced in the last 4 weeks than in the 4 weeks preceding the recall. Despite one of the largest infant formula production facilities in the US being offline, families across the country remain concerned about the availability of the infant formula, especially families that depend on the specialty formulas for which the starches specifically is a key supplier. These 20 specialty formulas are used by 5,000 infants as well as some older children and adults with rare metabolic diseases, and Abbott Nutrition is the only supplier for some of these formulas. Today, President Biden is announcing additional steps to bolster our work to get infant formula onto store shelves as quickly as possible without compromising safety. These steps include cutting red tape to get more infant formula to store shelves quicker. Manufacturers typically produce many different sizes of same type of infant formula. Simplifying product offerings allows manufacturers to increase the speed and scale of their infant formula production, stabilizing the overall volume of formula available in the market. The type of formula that companies make and distribute is impacted by the Social Supplemental Nutrition Program for Children, Infants and Children, administered by USDA. About half of the infant formula nationwide is purchased by participants using the WIC benefits based on both federal requirements and additional rules set by individual states that have a large effect on the availability and distribution of the infant formula in a given state. These are some of the screenshots from the citizen of US complaining, blasting Joe Biden on Twitter, blaming him for the shortage of the baby formula. Don't forget to hit the subscribe notification.